Dear student, welcome to one of the important subject of introductory biology. The course code of this subject is AGRI 1007. Today's class we will discuss about cell and its function. Objective to study about cell and its different organelles. First of all, we will define a cell. Cell is the basic structure and functional unit of living organism. In other words, cells make up living thing and carry out activities that keep a living thing alive. Timeline. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered cell. In 1674, Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed living cell. In 1883, Robert Brown discovered nucleus. In 1835, Felix Dujardin discovered fluid content of cell. In 1838, Matthias Slidell proposed all plants are made up of cells. In 1839, J. E. Purkinje named fluid content of cell as protoplasm. In 1839, Theodor Schwann proposed all animals are made up of cells. In 1845, Karl Heinrich Braun proposed cell is the basic unit of life. 1855, Rudolf Virchow proposed all cells arises from pre-existing cells. Cell theory. Cell theory is a collection of ideas and conclusions from many different scientists over time that describe cell and how cell operate. First, all known living things are made up of one or more cells. All living cells arise from pre-existing cells by division. 3. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in all living organisms. Unicellular organism. An organism that is made up of only one cell is called a unicellular organism. The example of unicellular organism are Euglena, Paramecium, and multicellular organism. An organism that is made up of more than one cell is called as multicellular organism. The example of multicellular organism are plants, animals, and fungus. Cell size. Cell size vary in size. Most cells are very small, that are macroscopic. Some may be very large, that is macroscopic. The unit used to measure cell is micrometer. 1 micrometer is equal to 1 upon 1000 millimeter. Smallest cell is microplasma. The size is 0.1 micrometer. Largest cell is ostrich. The size of cell is 18 centimeter. Size of cells in humans. Smallest cell is the sperm cell, that is 5 micrometer. Largest cell, that is ovum cell, 120 micrometer. Longest cell, that is nerve cell. The size of the nerve cell is 1 meter. Shape of cells. Cells vary in shape. Variation depends mainly upon the function of cell. Some cells, like Euglena and amoeba, can change their shape, but most cells have a fixed shape. Human RBC are circular, biconcave for easy passes through human capillaries. Nerve cells are branched to conduct impulses from one point to another. Human WBC can change their shape to engulf the microorganism that enter the body. Structure of cell. The detailed structure of a cell has been studied under compound microscope and electron microscope. Certain structure can be seen only under an electron microscope. The structure of a cell as seen under an electron microscope is called ultrastructure. In front of you, you have two picture. One is compound microscope, that is magnification is 200. Other picture is electron microscope. The magnification is approximately 5 lakh x. Multicellular organism under microscope. One is the leaf cell and other is the muscle cell. Animal cell. We have such beautiful pics in the slide, and we have labeled. First is the nucleus, second is Golgi body, third is vesicle, four is plasma membrane, five is mitochondria, six is cytoskeleton, seven is the centriole, eight is the lysosome, nine is cytoplasm, 10 is rough endoplasmic reticulum, 11 is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and 12 nucleus. Other is the plant cell. Similarly, we have labeled plant cell as well. First, nucleus. Second, Golgi body. Third, vesicle. Four, lysosome. Five, plasma membrane. Six, mitochondria. Seven, chloroplast. Eight, cell wall. Nine, vacuole. 10, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. 11, rough endoplasmic reticulum. 12, nucleus. Now come to bacterial cell. Bacterial cell we have also labeled and given the name of the organelles. First is capsule, second cell wall, third plasma membrane, four cytoplasm, five flagellum, six food granular, seven plasmid, that is DNA, eight ribosomes, nine nucleoid, 10 pili. These are the few references which will be helpful for your study. A link is also given here. You can take these books and get knowledge. Thank you very much.